really drained. And at my age, when you pre-pause them,
Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a what I eat in a day to lose weight video. Lazy edition. Guys, I just want to show you all what I ate for today for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And guys, this was a lazy day for me because it's the holiday season. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you a realistic video. Also, this video contains a workout. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners. So even though this video is a lazy edition video, I still wanted to be mindful as far as what I was eating for the day. And so what I did was I made my egg scramble. And in my egg scramble, I had fresh bell pepper and fresh arugula. And I also cooked my egg scramble in water. I didn't want to use butter or oil for that day. So yeah, guys, and it came out really, really good. Guys, just know that you can cook eggs in water. What you want to do is add a little water to the pan and let it get a little hot, like boiling a little bit, and then you can crack your egg in there. And it's so much better than using like butter and oil. Also, I cut up an apple and I added some cinnamon to it. Guys, like I always said, try to incorporate fresh fruit and vegetables each and every day if you can. And if you have to, use frozen. But make sure you eat some vegetables each and every day. And I decided to eat vegetables and fruit with my breakfast for the morning. Okay, so now it's lunchtime. I visited my mother the day before and she had made some tuna and salmon salad and I bought some home. And so that's what I had for lunch and I added some crackers with it. Guys, it was really, really good. Thank you, Mom. I love you so much. That tuna and salmon salad was hitting, guys. Also, I had 2 bottles of water with my lunch. Guys, make sure you drink water each and every day. I myself, I try to drink 6 to 7 bottles of water a day.
okay, everyone, I hope you all can see me good. I'm using my tripod. My beautiful mother gave me this tripod for my birthday, so I'm still learning how to use it, so I'm getting ready to do a workout. So guys, this video is a what I eat in a day to lose weight, lazy edition. Guys, I haven't been lazy today. However, I've been eating pretty okay today. I showed you guys what I had for breakfast, lunch, and now I'm getting ready to work out. And I'm just going to do a little workout because I need to move my body. I haven't worked out in probably about a week. So yeah, so I'm going to do a little light workout and get back in my routine. I kind of fell off a little bit. You know, my monthly came on. That might be too much TMI, but it is what it is. And I just been feeling really, really drained. And at my age, when you pre-pause them, you go through all kind of feelings, moods, flares, just the whole nine. And I was just really drained this time. However, I was like, you know what, Dionne, go ahead and work out today, get some exercise in, and get that motivation started back for yourself. Guys, do not wait till the beginning of the year. Go ahead and start working out now, doing some type of exercise. Guys, when working out at home, play some music. If it's country, classical, R&B, rap, hip hop, whatever the case may be, play some music that's going to get you in the mood. You know, get you hype, get you ready to get going, motivated, get you in the mood. Just, do a little something, something. And as you guys can see, I have on my shirt for joyful because I am joyful. And the reason why I am joyful is because I'm getting to exercise and take care of myself, take care of my body. Even though I didn't eat perfectly today, and it be like that sometimes, but it's okay. I'm getting ready to move this body to some exercises, and I'm gonna do it with you guys. This is my Christmas decoration right here. These two little things my mom made like 2 years ago. I keep them up in the house all year round. So this is my Christmas decorations. My mama made these by hand. She is very good with crafting. So yeah, guys. So they still cute, but our cat has gotten to them, but they still cute. Little snowmen, snow women. So yeah, guys. Okay.
Okay, my chat partners, so now it is dinner time. And for dinner, I'm going to have some chicken dumplings. And I'm also going to have a Zevia. Guys, Zevia sodas are really, really good because they're low in sugar, or zero sugar, as a matter of fact. Guys, I really do hope you all enjoyed what I eat in a day to lose weight, lazy edition. And I also hope you guys enjoyed my workout routine. Thank you all so much for watching my video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I wish you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.